Reduced length splice tray is a diminutive. This is a regular splice tray. As you can see, the M67 110 that I have here is really small. I'm going to show you how to splice both 250 and 900 micron fibers within this splice tray. I have a couple of tools here, and it's also advisable to keep a loop of tape on the table to capture bits of fiber as you strip your fiber. So I'll put on my safety glasses to ward off rogue fibers and other debris. Be sure to do the same. And we will start by strain relieving the cables onto the splice tray. Now, if you do not have a properly adjusted crimping tool, then do not use the tabs. In my case, I'll be using cable ties, which work very well. And I'll also show you one or two options to attach the fibers onto the tray. I'm going to bundle my fiber using some friction tape here. I'm using tie wraps to secure my bundle fibers, just like this. So my buffer tube and pigtail panel are properly strain relieved, and the most important part of planning a splice tray is making sure that you have the right amount of fiber in here. So with my 250 micron fiber, I'm going to keep about 2 loops of fiber slack, and that's going to end up right there. And for my 900 micron, I'm going to do the same. This time we will stop right on this opposing side, right there. So I will cut my 950 micron fiber right there and my 250 right at that point. That will make sure that I just have enough slack without having too much. So I've moved my bundle to an alternate position. I'm starting with my 250 micron fiber. I'm going to show you how to route it alternately. I'll be cutting it right there, and then removing just enough to reach my splicer. And I'm going to put a little bit of tape just to hold it in place, the rest of it in place. I'm going to do the same thing for my 900 micron. But this time, I'm going to come in from the top, right there. And I'm going to just remove just enough to reach my splice tray, which in this case is just like that. And I'm going to put a little bit of tape right there. My tray is ready to go. I'm going to start with the blue fiber. Just make sure you disentangle each fiber from the rest as you splice. And I'm going to strip clean and cleave, and remember, of course, to install your heat shrink before you start to do that. So my blue fiber is ready for routing, and it'll go in just like I planned it to, right in there. You need to be very careful not to break the splice. This last fiber has cooled, and I'm going to show you how to route it in. As you can see, even with this much fiber, everything turned out okay. Just like that. So everything looks good. And the only thing that's left is to put the cover back on, make sure that there are no fibers on the rim, and then just put the cover back on. If you have any questions, please give us a call or send us an email at cablesystems@corning.com. And remember, Corning Cable Systems recommends getting trained in fiber optic installation. We offer a series of classes, of course, and we thank you.